Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It's a Thursday, July 6, 2023. It is 3:21 and 39 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, Hologram Diagnostics. So let's jump to it here. Holograms for life, improving in vitro fertilization. Success. Date July 5th, 2023. Source, University of Adelaide. In a world first, 3D holographic images of an embryo have been developed. The images are created using minuscule amounts of light in a fraction of a second. As for couples wishing to conceive, the quality or developmental potential of an embryo is critical as it dictates the success of their pregnancy and ultimately the birth of their child. In vitro fertilization, clinics routinely assess embryo quality by visual inspection to check if an embryo is developing in a time-appropriate manner, or by an invasive biopsy to determine DNA content of the biopsy sample. However, these approaches have failed to improve the success rate of in vitro fertilization, which has remained stagnant for more than a decade. A non-invasive approach without biopsy to help pick the most appropriate embryo is a highly beneficial tool for the 21st century. Embryologists like to fulfill this need. The 3D holographic images are a non-invasive approach which provides insights into the embryo by identifying detailed features, and this may augment conventional visual assessment for embryo quality in in vitro fertilization clinic, allowing an embryologist to make an informed decision on the selection of best quality embryos. Optical technologies hold immense promise to unravel the metabolism and health of the embryo. This gentle non-invasive approach could lead to improved in vitro fertilization success. As data from 2020 show that the success rates of in vitro fertilization range from a live birth rate of 38.9% per embryo transfer for patients under 34 years to live a birth rate of 5.6% per embryo transfer for patients over 43 years. In 2018, it was estimated that 8 million babies had been born through in vitro fertilization since the world's first in 1978. This technology uses minuscule amounts of light, less than that from your smartphone, to allow rapid visualization of the embryo in a fraction of a second. The team aims to have the technology, which is being developed through research using a preclinical model, available in 5 years. And this is a Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.